Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Robinhood tax documents for capital gains, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Robinhood website. Log in to your Robinhood account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the account icon to access your account settings. From the menu that appears, select the Statements and History option. In the Statements and History section, locate the Tax Documents tab. Click on the Tax Documents tab to view available documents. You will see a list of tax documents related to your account. Look for the document labeled 1099 for the relevant tax year. Click on the Download button next to the 1099 form. Your browser will prompt you to save the file. Choose a destination on your computer to save the document. Once the download is complete, navigate to the folder where you saved the file. Open the 1099 form using a PDF viewer to review your capital gains information. Make sure all the details are correct and ready for tax filing. If you need other tax documents, return to the Tax Documents tab and repeat the download process. Keep this document stored safely for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.